All right, I'm the Silver Fox Butcher. We've got a beautiful Japanese A5 Kobe Tenderloin. So let's cut it out of the package and clean it up. You can kind of see what the marbling is going to look like under there. It's going to be beautiful. It's nice and solid. It's going to require a bit of cleaning here. So before we even get to our knife, we're going to take the fat off it, just using our hands. All this fat we're going to be able to render into some wagyu beef tallow. Just tears right away. Take the side seam off. See, it looks beautiful underneath. Nice little layer of fat though. Nice and greasy. A beautiful fat. It's going to make the best tallow. Renders down really well. All right, let's start cleaning it a little bit with our knife. So we're just going to start layer by layer, just to see where we're at. We don't want to cut and waste any of the meat here. We'll get down to the silver skin. You just peel right away. Wow, looks beautiful. Look at it go. Layer by layer, we'll get there. A little bit of a fat wedge here that we're going to get rid of also. Once we get through this layer, and we'll get the side seam off. Give her a nice little clean there. We're almost at the silver skin. The meat is so tender you can literally just pull it right apart. All right, now with this silver skin, just going to slide our knife right under it, slide it to the back, and just comes out nice and easy. Do it in a couple of shots. Try not to do it all at once. You want to maximize the amount of meat keeping on the piece. You can see that incredible marbling just shining through there. All right, once we get it to this point, I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to clean some of that fat out from with the wedge. I'm going to clean some of the fat where it was attached to the bone. You just do like a nice thin layer there. You can see that A5 beautiful marbling in. All right. Beautiful cleaned Kobe tenderloin. We're going to tie it up and cut it into some steaks. So we're going to start off, we're just going to butterfly the end of it, fold it over. You're going to see that marbling come right through. Look at that. Can it get any better? I don't think so. Let's tie it into a bunch of steaks. This is some of the most beautiful beef in the world. Make it nice and tight. Cut your string. You'll see once I cut these steaks how incredible they actually look. This is some of the nicest beef in the world, A5, straight out of Kyoto from Japan. You can't really have a big portion of it. It's a very rich meat. And if you have a big portion, it's just very filling, very rich, very buttery. It's really heavy. So try to eat just a small bit. There we go. We got her all tied up. Let's cut some steaks out of it. So we're going to start at this end here. You see that beautiful marbling? Look at that. Perfection. All right. Look at these. How nice is that? Beautiful steaks.